Here is how you can get a bunch of cinematic sound effects all for free. But it's only available for a limited time, so save this post. Go over to filmcrux.com, select Film Crux Plus, and click Make Better Films. Then input the code Emax, and it will give you a month for free to download all of these amazing sound effects packs, and you will get to keep them forever. I think there's somewhere between 20 and 30 gigabytes of sound effects or something absolutely crazy like that. It has music, whooshes, cinematic sounds, and there's honestly so many. And not to mention, they're all absolutely of the highest quality you'll ever hear. You can then cancel your subscription if you'd like, but you can also just keep it if you'd like to support the legends over at Film Crux.